If you want a secure and easy way to manage your password, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get RoboForm Password Manager free for 1 year using the official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the magic link. By this link you will get 12-month free RoboForm Premium. Here you can see. So, and for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in this video description. Simply you need to paste here your email address, Outlook, Hotmail or Tempmail. Any email address you can use it. Then click on this redeem offer. Here you can see welcome to RoboForm Premium. Redeem your 12-month free access. So how to redeem your offer? Create your free RoboForm account. Simply click on this install, and the second activate your premium access and enter your redemption code. So this is our redemption code. After add the Chrome extension in your Chrome profile, simply pin here. Then click on this sign up button. Your email address, type here your email address, then your master password, confirm master password, then first name and last name. Here you can see create account button is enabled, so click on this create account. Account created successfully. You can also view your password from here. Click on this get started. Now we need to, here you can see I also received an email from RoboForm. After click on this activate premium, you need to log in your account and simply paste here your license key. Then click on this submit button. And here you can see RoboForm Premium license key activation. So we need to add our security key, phone number and city, and our address to submit. So let's complete this. Then click on this submit button. We need to fill all the requirement field. After that click on this submit button. And here you can see your purchase is complete, and this is our order ID. Now I can use this in my Chrome profile, Windows, MacBook and Android also. Here you can see. So by this way you can get RoboForm Password Manager free for 1 year. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.